can't wait for you to see this cute villa at 557 Lake Mystic Lane in South Lakeland. This is a really cute 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's in the Villas 3. There's no age limit in this part of the villas, which is really nice. The HOA covers your lawn care and many other things, so come check this one out. Oh, sorry. You're gonna see a nice open design. So walk on back here. I love the real wood floors when you first walk back. You've got a living room. This bonus room is to die for. You're gonna see all the natural light, the windows, again, the real wood floors. You can make it an extra bonus room for the kids' toys. You can do all kind of things with this. It's really a multi-purpose use room. It's got a separate dining area here, and then coming into the kitchen, which was fully remodeled in 2019, you're gonna see the countertops, you're gonna see the nice updated hardware. It's got a kitchen pantry, backsplash, plenty of cabinet space, plenty of counter space. So the master bedroom is nice side. It's got the luxury vinyl plank flooring. Come check out this master bathroom, which was fully remodeled. Gonna love the light colors here. You've got the beautiful stone countertops, the new hardware. You're gonna really love when you walk in here, all this custom woodwork that has just recently been done by the seller. It leads throughout the whole hallway, which gives it a nice dressed up feel. The hall bathroom is located right near the other front bedroom. Again, coming in here, you've got real wood laminate flooring, nice sized closet, double windows in the front of the home for lots of natural light. Oh, I'm doing laundry, excuse me. In this nice laundry room. Do you like this with the shelving, additional storage over here? It's an amazing laundry room. Just remember, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian.